Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can build in like a blueprint. So you don't want to like destroy your lot yet and you still have like items that you're trying to grow and stuff. So go to your watch and go to blueprint and edit the one. So just press edit on like an empty blueprint if you want to create a new house. So I'll just edit here, and basically it's going to bring me to the build mode. And if you press the view button, for instance, I have this house here, it shows me everything I need to build this place basically. So I will need 35 quality timbers, which I am missing a few. If it's red, that means I'm missing. I only need 2 penguin material pack branch. I need this much gold and this much dye. You can also see the furnitures that is added. For instance, this one, I only have one, and I added 3. And for this one, I only have 1 and I added 2. So I will have to craft that. So I will craft it now actually to show you guys. Let me see. This one I'm just going to craft. Okay. So if I go back to the blueprint and view that in furniture, as you can see, where is it? I'm not missing any more. I also need more lamps. I didn't use any potted plants. Okay, so I will need a lot, I guess. Okay. Okay, so for this one, I won't need it, I guess, because I already have it. Like, I'm not missing any. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Just collect a lot of branches and timbers and whatnot, because you do need a lot of them to build your house. That's what I've been doing for the last couple of days. But yeah, that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.